everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's me Pragya, and in today's video I'm going to share with you the review of this Pond's Super Light Gel. So I have been using this gel since last 2 months and I'm really wanting to share the review of this product with you guys. So if you wanted to know all the details about this product and whether the claims of this product is actually true or not and whether you should buy it or not, so please keep on watching this video till the end, and without any further delay let's quickly jump into the video. So guys, first things first, I feel that this Pond's Super Light Gel is an amazing moisturizer for the oily skin girls out there, because personally me, I really have oily skin, and in summers my skin is so much oily guys, and in winters it kind of becomes combination type. So I can say that if you have oily skin, this Super Light Gel is going to be an amazing moisturizer for your skin. So this is called the Pond's Super Light Gel, and this is for oil free moisturizer, and this is suitable for all skin types as it claims, and this is also for all seasons. So guys, this product is claimed to be super light, and it is really super duper light at your skin, because I will show you the texture. Look at the texture, it is kind of watery. So it is that kind of formula, it is like water to gel kind of formula, and when you apply it on your skin it just vanishes and it is absorbed in your skin so quickly, and it really makes your skin hydrated. And guys, if you have oily skin and you are really confused that what moisturizer you should use and what should you not, because I personally had a lots of problem choosing my moisturizer, because I have extremely oily skin, and when I apply a thick moisturizer on my skin I really sweats a lot, and I don't like the look of it and the feel of it, I just hate it. So I was really using gel kind of moisturizer for last few years, and I recently got my hands on this moisturizer, and thanks to God I picked this up for myself, because this is so amazing guys. And I have seen lots of YouTubers talking about this product and comparing this to the Neutrogena one. So to be honest, I didn't use the Neutrogena one, so I really can't say that whether it is a dupe of that or not, but overall the product is really very nice, and as it claims that it is for all skin types, and on that point I want to say that I don't think this is very good for the dry skin types, but if you want to use it on summers and if you have dry skin, then I think it will work kind of, but in winters this will not work for the dry skin girls out there, because the formula is super duper light, and this is not a thick kind of moisturizer which will handle the flaky skin, and so I just don't feel that it is a good choice for the dry skin girls out there, and in winter especially. So if you want to use this on summers, then you are good to go, and the oily skin and the combination skin girls out there, this is a very good formula for your skin type. And I really love this product guys, because I can definitely say that this is the best moisturizer which I have used till now. So this retails for 299 rupees, and this is 147 gram of product, and this is also available in a smaller packaging. So if you are going to use it for the first time, you can surely get your hands on the smaller one of this. Don't go for this bigger one, because never know which product is going to suit you or not, because some of you may have fragrance sensitive skin, or some of you have acne prone skin. I personally have acne prone skin, and my skin is also very sensitive, but still it works on me pretty well. But if you are going to use any product for the first time, I always say that go for the smaller one which is available in the market of that variant. So this is also available in the smaller size, so you can pick that up, and if it suits you, you can go for the bigger version. So the packaging of this product is also very nice. This is a round tub kind of packaging. This is the powder blue color, and this is the plastic packaging, and you get the lid here where you get the names and the other things, and at the back you get all the ingredients and the prices, all of that, and you have to remove the lid, and then you get a aluminium film. So here is the product. You can see that it has a slightly bluish tint to it, but when you use it and apply it on your skin, it don't have any color, to be honest. And the fragrance is really very subtle. I don't think that if you are fragrance sensitive, this is going to irritate you. I really don't think that. Personally, I don't have any issue with the fragrances, but I will prefer the products which has lesser fragrance. But the fragrance of this is really nice. I like the fragrance, but if you have fragrance sensitive skin, so I'm not sure that how this is going to react on your skin. So you can buy the smaller one and give it a try if you want. And guys, this moisturizer is for non-sticky and glowing skin. So for the non-sticky part, I can definitely give it a thumbs up because it is actually non-sticky. But for the claim which is glowing skin, I don't think that it gives you kind of radiant glow type of skin, because when you apply it on your face for the first few seconds, I mean when your face is still hydrated and wet, you can see the glowing thing, but when it is absorbed in your skin, it doesn't give any extra glow. So I don't think it gives you your skin a extra glow. So this is definitely non-sticky, so a big thumbs up for that. And guys, this product also contains hyaluronic acid and vitamin E in it, so these two ingredients are really good for your skin, and this is non-comedogenic. This will not clog your pores at all. And as I can say that I have experienced this product since last 2 months, so I didn't have any kind of skin irritation or issue or any extra pimple or acne going on my skin. I didn't feel any kind of problems using this product. So this product is going to be a definitely hit for my side, and I have shared all the links which I have found of this product from various websites in my description box below. So if you want to buy this, you can surely have a look at my description box. So that's all about the quick review of this product, and if you think that you want to give it a try, please go ahead and also share this video with your friends, especially with the oily skin girls out there. And I think that they will going to love this product as I do. And also comment down below what you think of my videos, and if you have any further suggestions for me, please feel free to share those. And also subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and click that bell notification button next to it, so whenever I upload such videos, you will get notified. And also follow me on Facebook and Instagram. The links will be in the description box. And until next time, stay happy, stay safe, and stay tuned. Bye bye guys.